If you're considering investing in the National Personal Training Institute, you're likely wondering if it's the right move for you. In this video, I'll break down 7 key things you need to know before making that decision, and why it might be a better choice than some of the other options out there. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to get access to the best offer for this program completely free. So, what exactly does the National Personal Training Institute offer? Well, for starters, it's one of the most reputable personal trainer certification programs available. NPTI has been around for over 2 decades, and they've built a strong reputation for providing a solid education that prepares you for real-world success. But what sets it apart? Let's jump into the details. Next thing, let's talk about the curriculum. NPTI offers an in-depth 500-hour training program. This is significantly more comprehensive than many competitors that offer certifications with far fewer hours. For example, while other programs might promise a certification after just a weekend or a few weeks of study, NPTI provides a much more hands-on approach with practical real-world training. You'll have the chance to work with clients in person during your education, which is a major plus if you're looking to jump into the field immediately. The third thing to note is that NPTI's training is extremely versatile. They offer in-person courses in various locations across the US and also have a comprehensive online option for those who need flexibility. While some certifications only offer one or the other, NPTI has made sure to cater to both needs. Plus, their online platform is well designed and intuitive, allowing for a smooth learning experience no matter where you are. Now, let's talk cost. NPTI isn't exactly the cheapest option out there, but when you compare it to other high-quality programs, it's actually quite competitive. Some other programs might offer lower prices, but they often come with fewer resources, less one-on-one support, or lower quality certification. What you're paying for with NPTI is a higher level of support and a more robust program that prepares you not only for certification exams, but for real success in your personal training career. The fifth thing to consider is their job placement assistance. NPTI stands out from many competitors by offering extensive job placement resources to graduates. They have partnerships with gyms and other fitness organizations, which increases the chances of you landing a job after you complete the program. If job placement is something that's important to you, NPTI has a proven track record of helping graduates find work in the fitness industry, a huge selling point compared to other programs that offer limited support. Next, let's discuss the instructors. NPTI has a strong team of experienced trainers who actually work in the field, so you're learning from experts who know the industry inside and out. This is something a lot of online or less established certification programs lack. If you're looking for a more personalized, mentor-driven experience,